So naturally I thought I would take me a look inside. I saw so much food, there was water coming from my eyes. Yeah, there was ham and there was turkey, there was caviar, and long tall glasses with wine up to yar. And then somebody grabbed me, threw me out of my chair, said before you can eat you gotta dance like Fred Astaire. You know I can dance, 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 I can dance. By name, I don't seek entertainment, just poetry and game. But if it's all the same to you, then yes, I will try my hand. If you were as hungry as me, then I'm sure you will understand. Now wait a minute. Of course I can dance, of course I can dance. I'm sure I can dance, I'm sure I can dance, I can dance. I can dance, I really hit the floor. Oh, it feels good. Look at me dancing. I did a two-step, quick-step, and a bossa nova, a little Victor Silvestri, Rudy Valentino. You should have seen me moving across the floor. Had me down my tuxedo. Next week I'm coming back for more.